This is a brand new feature that people are calling a problem. You know what? This video will open up your eyes. See, a couple of years back, I came across a OnePlus 70 Pro that had suddenly gotten a green line on the screen. And you know what? Many others share their own experiences with the green line on their screens. OnePlus didn't respond back then, and eventually the situation buried itself. But cut to 2022, Samsung Galaxy S20 users started seeing this mysterious green line on their phones, and this was not a small thing. Loyal Samsung users even started a petition for this. Yeah, things were getting serious. Now, in 2023, this green line is part of almost every brand out there. OnePlus phones have gotten the green line on a ton of phones. Previously, it was kind of limited to OnePlus 70 Pro, OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus 8, but newer phones like the OnePlus 9 Pro or the OnePlus 9R have also gotten this. I know that's a lot of phones, but getting there, just hang on. Samsung was back in the game. Their phones are also getting the green line. S20 phones, be it S20 or S20 Plus, M series phones, S21 Ultras, even the Z Flip phones. And don't get me wrong, these are phones worth second-hand Lord Altos. Oppo phones also joined the movement. A lot of Vivo X series flagship phones, a lot of Moto phones, Realme phones have it too. Even the current favorite brand of people, Nothing, has also gotten the green line on a number of phone once. There is one brand though that revolutionizes products by making the best and the closest first copy of the previous year's phone, and you know it, it's Apple, and they have revolutionized the green line. A number of iPhones have also gotten the green line, and you know how we all know that Apple takes a feature and just makes it better. Well, some iPhones have multiple green lines, and on top of that, just to invent further, some even have a thicker white line to add to the green line. You know, white means Apple, green means Android, maybe that, I don't know. Look, you guys are getting it all wrong. This green line is not a problem. This is a brand new feature that smartphone makers have been rolling out slowly to their phones. This is a lot like digital well-being on Android or screen time in iOS. This new feature is designed to make sure that you don't spend too much time on your phone. I mean, with the big green line staring at you from the screen, you might want to keep your phone down or just throw it altogether. Plus, Twitter and forums are flooded with users reporting the green line on their phones, and most of them have gotten the green line not due to hardware defect or damage, but after they updated their smartphone. Now, what do we expect from a brand new software update? Brand new features, and this is a new feature. Look, me personally, I'm a sensitive guy, so again, there's discrimination as most of the phones that are getting this very useful feature are high-end phones with OLED displays. It's clear that smartphone makers want this new feature only on expensive phones and not on budget smartphones, and that's just plain wrong. I mean, if this was a real issue, all the brands would have come forward, they would have responded, they would have said, hey, this seems like a real issue, it's a widespread problem, so you know what, we're going to fix this, we're going to take responsibility. But most of the brands have been mum, and that's because they want you to have this amazing green line feature. Now, I know OnePlus has responded to this, but that's probably because this is not a feature by them. You know what, maybe it's a new ColorOS feature that accidentally arrived on OnePlus phones with the whole OxygenOS ColorOS switch. Now, I know this is an exciting new feature, and if your phone does not have it, there is a way to get this on your phone. Actually, two ways. Number one, update your smartphone. Most users who have gotten this new feature have gotten it after they updated their phone. So check if you have any new updates, install it right away. Number two, heat it up. See, OLED displays are powered by self-lit pixels that are lit via specific voltages. So theoretically, if you heat up your phone, this can cause a chain reaction of incorrect voltages, thereby damaging the pixels and thus inducing the great green line on your phone screen. So you can put your phone to continuously charge for like 3-4 days and see if it works. You can force run benchmarks on your phone for hours and hours to see if that helps. Or you can just use a lighter to, heat up the back of your phone. But you know what? Please be careful because this might unlock another feature that's probably best suited for Diwali. If you still don't get the green line on your phone, this is how the green line will look on your phone. Yes, if you ever want to experience the green line on your smartphone, just watch this video, put it on full screen, and you're welcome. Look, all jokes apart, there's just one solution to this problem. Just give the users a brand new phone. That's it, simple. No vouchers, no discounts. Just repair the phone right away. And if you don't have parts available, just give the user a brand new smartphone. Do it. You know what? Let's all share this video with all the smartphone makers. Use the hashtag GreenLine, tag your favorite smartphone brand so that they see this, do not respond to it, and hopefully bring the green line for everyone because it's eco-friendly. Thanks for watching.